Imagine visiting your bank and discovering that accounts were opened in your name without your permission. You never requested them, you never approved them, but they still appeared under your name. Why did this happen? Because employees were under extreme pressure to meet sales targets. Hello everyone, I'm Akanksha Mishra and today we are looking at a real banking scandal that shows how unrealistic targets and weak ethical controls can create a major business crisis. We will also understand how ISO 37301 can help organizations build a stronger compliance culture. Now, what actually happened? Few years back, a bank was fined after employees secretly opened deposit and credit card accounts without customers' knowledge or permission. Aggressive sales targets and financial incentives encouraged employees to create accounts to increase their sales figures. The bank's own analysis indicated that more than 2 million accounts may not have been authorized by customers. What looked like a sales success story was actually a serious compliance failure. Now, the problem was bigger than a few employees. It would be easy to blame only the employees who opened the accounts. But the bigger question is, what kind of system made employees feel that hitting a target was more important than treating customers fairly? When employees are rewarded only for numbers, they may feel pressured to ignore rules, hide problems, or take shortcuts. This means the real issue was not only individual behavior, it was also connected to leadership, workplace culture, incentives, and weak monitoring. But we are not a bank. You may think this problem cannot happen in your organization, but similar pressure exists in many industries. A salesperson may promise something the company cannot deliver. A factory employee may skip an inspection to meet a production target. A manager may hide a complaint to protect performance figures. The industry may be different, but the risk remains the same. When targets become more important than ethics, problems begin. Now, this is where ISO 37301 helps. ISO 37301 is the international standard for a compliance management system. It helps organizations identify their legal and regulatory obligations, assign responsibilities, provide training, monitor performance, and respond to non-compliance. In simple words, ISO 37301 helps businesses move from "we have rules written somewhere" to "our rules are understood, followed, and checked in daily operations." Now, targets should not encourage wrong behavior. Sales and performance targets are not automatically bad. They can motivate employees and support business growth. But targets become dangerous when employees feel they must break rules to achieve them. Organizations should review whether their targets, rewards, and bonus systems encourage ethical behavior or quietly encourage shortcuts. Because a target achieved through the wrong method is not success, it is a future problem. Now, employees need a safe way to speak up. Employees often notice problems before senior management does. But will they report them? If people fear punishment, embarrassment, or losing their jobs, they may remain silent. ISO 37301 supports clear reporting channels where employees can raise concerns without fear of retaliation. A warning reported early can protect the organization. A warning ignored can become a public scandal. Now, leadership must set the right example. Employees closely watch what leaders reward and what they ignore. If management says follow the rules but celebrates results achieved through questionable methods, employees receive a mixed message. Leadership must clearly show that ethical behavior is more important than short-term numbers. Compliance should not be only the responsibility of the legal department. It must begin at the top. Do not ignore warning signs. Repeated complaints, unusual sales numbers, and high employee turnover can be signs of a deeper problem. Organizations should regularly review their performance data, customer complaints, and employee concerns. ISO 37301 encourages monitoring and evaluation so that problems can be found before they become bigger. Because unusual success without a clear explanation may not always be good news. Now fix the system, not only the employees. Removing one employee may solve an immediate problem, but it will not solve the issue if unrealistic targets, weak supervision, and poor reporting systems remain unchanged. The organization must ask, why did the behavior happen? Did management pressure contribute to it? Were employees properly trained? Were earlier complaints ignored? Corrective action should improve the entire system, not only punish the person who was caught. Now, the biggest lesson for every business. This case teaches one powerful lesson. A strong result achieved through the wrong behavior is still a failure. Businesses must look beyond sales figures and performance reports. They must also ask how those results were achieved. Because when employees believe that numbers matter more than customers, written policies quickly lose their value. Now, ethics must come before targets. Sales targets may improve performance, but when pressure becomes stronger than ethics, customers, employees, and the entire business can suffer. ISO 37301 helps organizations move from saying our employees should know the rules to we have a system that supports, monitors, and strengthens ethical behavior. So here is the question for your organization. Are your targets motivating good performance or quietly encouraging the wrong behavior? Share your thoughts in the comments. I'm Akanksha Mishra. Subscribe for more real business case studies explained through ISO standards. Because business success is not only about reaching the target, it is also about choosing the right way to reach it. Thanks for watching this detailed session, and I will see you in the next episode of TNV Academy.